Alright, so concerning the Kobe Bryant helicopter crash, right? I used to watch a program called Mayday Air Crash Investigation. Okay, so I would collect the data from each episode I watched. Okay, and what I found was that the number one cause of air disasters was pilot error. As you can see here, this is the first field. It says PE, and as you can see, I went through my the files I took down from watching the episodes. I didn't watch all the episodes, but I watch a lot of them. And as you can see, pilot error is like 50%, 60%, maybe 70% of the cause of air disasters. And tied for second is equipment failure and airline practices, where the airline has some bad, either business practices or hiring practices, or some things that they do that they shouldn't do that put people's lives at risk. So, but as you can see, pilot error is way ahead. So, I think we're gonna find when the NTSB gives a report in a year, let's say, or even in the preliminary findings, you're gonna find this most likely was a pilot error. What happened to Kobe? Probably you're gonna see that the pilots, I'm saying probably, most likely. Well, even just based on this alone, on this chart alone, there's these results here, But from what I can see, the crash, the pilot, was flying in very low visibility conditions, and the helicopter is very fast. It can go as fast, I think, as 175 miles an hour. I don't know if it was going that fast, but his descent rate was not that high, when he crashed, so it wasn't out of control. Like, it didn't fall out the sky, It was a very slow descent. And or just from where he was flying to where he crashed, it wasn't a steep drop. Okay, it wasn't falling. He just like flew into the the mountain. But anyway, I just wanted to point out that the number one cause of air disasters is in fact the human factor. And even on my job here that I have, the most of the calls I get for equipment failure is because of human factor, a human being working on the equipment, using the equipment, cause it to fail. So that's why I want to point this out. So anyway, have a good day. God bless. Jesus Christ is Lord.